Hey guys, I was out at the range today and thought it might be cool to do a video on different sounds coming out of three very different weapons, all suppressed shooting subsonic ammunition. First up, I've got an MP5 9mm. That'll be shooting 147 grain 9mm. I've got a 300 Blackout AR that's going to be shooting a 200 grain subsonic load by Magtech, and then I've got the Remington 700 and 308 also shooting a subsonic round. I'm going to go ahead and fire a few rounds downrange in each weapon. I'm going to be swapping the can MP5 to 300 Blackout. Other than that, I'm just going to fire into the berm and see if you guys can hear the difference back home. Here we go, going hot. Okay, so MP5 is done. Swapping the can onto the 300 Blackout. Okay, we're going to get this thing locked and loaded. We are hot. Probably don't need the light on for that. Okay, 300 Blackout, and then moving on to the Remy 700 subsonic. All right, so tell me what you guys think. Which one was the quietest? Which one was the loudest? Obviously, we're not comparing apples to apples here. There's three very different weapon systems, but just want to see what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.